How to fix allow access to camera missing on iPhone apps. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'll show you the procedure on how can you fix allow access to camera missing on iPhone apps. If the allow access to camera option is missing for your app on your iPhone, the most likely cause is that you've enabled screen time restrictions or the app settings are preventing camera access. For that, you want to actually open up your settings. Then what next you want to do is you want to go ahead and click on screen time. First thing, you could actually go with the privacy and security, then go to camera section. Make sure that toggle the button for all of these apps are enabled. If not, you could go with the screen time. So open the settings, go to screen time, and here you simply want to go to content and privacy restrictions, after which make sure that allow the apps is enabled. Then make sure that the camera is turned on. Once you've actually done it, so then you should be able to fix. If not, you could also try reinstalling the app if it's having issue with the specific app itself, or restart the device, and that could be able to fix the issue all at once. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.